There's no box slam this video because I've just done it already. Right, next box we have 10 Disney t-shirts and 20 graphic, music, printed, whatever weird American t-shirts that I ordered last time that aren't selling. So expect a lot of electric guitars, a lot of flames and a lot of wings and a lot of unknown artists. I'm going to hit the graphic t-shirts first and then we'll go Disney. So, oh, they're wrapped. They're all wrapped in each other. Yeah. Right. House of Blues. It's a cool t-shirt. Oh, is that the back? Oh, yes. I love back prints. I love a big back print t-shirt. House of Blues Orlando. Extra large. Meets the soul. The heart meets the soul. Blues. What the hell? Experience it here first. 1972. Love Life. 3 days of music from the 3rd to the 5th of August. No idea. Like I say. Oh, that is sick. Yes. We finally get like a really cool t-shirt. Does anyone remember this game? Doom. That was a sick game back in the day. And I've seen some like old school game tees go for quite a bit, so this might be quite valuable. Vagary and Easy, size large, Doom t-shirt. Definitely gonna have a look into that and find out when it's from because I might gold dust. What is this? Is my sister done talking yet? That's just crap. What's the point? What's the point? You could buy that for like £2 somewhere. Lone Star Beer Texas Heritage Festival. We have a beer festival t-shirt. Why is everything in Texas? We got a guitar. Rock and Roll Grill. Shock Horror, we have an electric guitar, we've got flames, and we've got rock and roll. What did I say? Again, these were like less than £3 a t-shirt, so I don't really care if I make money on this or not. I quite enjoy opening the boxes. Eastern Mountain Sport, no idea. Man, I'd make such better videos if I actually had a clue. Like, I'd be like, oh yeah, so this was this from there and there. Maybe I should pretend and Google and then come back and edit in and it looks like I know stuff. Shock Horror, we have more electric guitars. Neon blue, birds, flames. No skulls yet. We normally have a skull or something along those lines. Triumph motorcycle. Not bad. I wish it was a Harley t-shirt, but Triumph's like the tier below Harley. I love a good orange t-shirt. One more Piva, Ohio. I'm guessing that means beer. That's actually sick. Where's this from? Music Fest, man, that is not. How do you class 2017 as vintage, man? How? Like, it's a cool t-shirt, but 2017 is not vintage. I think it needs to be 20 years at least before it's considered vintage. Are you joking? How? What is the likelihood of having two of the same t-shirts in two separate boxes? How? Why did the wholesaler just buy a bunch of American band t-shirts? Do you remember this from the last video? Because I do, and it's not sold yet. That looks pretty cool. This looks pretty cool. Lograno. So it's got paella, seafood. It's got a bowl in some paella. I'm assuming Mexico or España. Not too sure, but it's cool. I'm preferring these to the Nike and Adidas t-shirts. Like, I love non-branded stuff because you just can just like, it's one of a kind, innit? Like, unless you've bought from a wholesaler that has the same t-shirt twice, then it's not one of a kind. Oh yes, love a summer t-shirt. Caribbean, we've got a pineapple. Oh, it's a pineapple guitar. Wow. Cannot go wrong with a pineapple guitar. And it's like a light, it's like a mint, a lime mint, a light lime mint. Okay. Oh, I like this material. Nashville Guitars, established 1957. It's quite a cool t-shirt. It's got a nice little four-leaf clover in there. Might mean I get lucky. Oh, one thing that we haven't got is a hard rock t-shirt. So if we get a hard rock t-shirt, is this a joke? Anyone remember this? From the last video with graphic t-shirts, 2 of the same kind. I reckon they're just buying stock from festivals and music places. Why? Disappointing. If I get one more. I like this. See, I like weird stuff, and I don't think anyone else does. Like, I'd be like, yeah, frog thing playing the decks, singing "May the Science Be With You." I like that. No one else is gonna like it. Oh, well, I'm getting hot. It's hard work, this. Wow, if that's not the most patriotic American thing you've ever seen. You've got electric guitars, and then I think these are called pectorals, I think, like guitar picks, on an American flag. I wish I lived in America. I'd make an absolute killing from these, but I don't. Nashville, is Nashville the music city? I don't know. I kind of thought New Orleans was, but I didn't catch it. But what do I know? Oh man, I think this is the last one. Oh, no, we've got the last 2. That is the most trashy thing I've ever seen in my life. You want, like, I could see Jerry Exotic wearing this. He's got the boots, the cowboy hat. Wow. I don't even know what to say about that. The last graphic. Oh god. Thunder Avenue. Oh, we got our skull. Finally. Thunder Avenue, whoever they are. We also get a V-neck. I hate with a passion V-necks. V-necks went out when I was a kid and they've never come back. So why are you giving me V-necks, huh? Trash. That's it for the graphic stuff. Disappointing again. Not great. I'll turn a little bit of a profit, but apart from the Doom t-shirt, they might be worth a bit. Not the best. But we'll move on. Disney t-shirts. Next. Hopefully they save us. Bye.